Bersalah? Halo?
Ready? Steady.
Timing already see you here. Vivek, nono hain hai lam sogo. You never miss me. Welcome by. Vivek, I'm back again. Tik no. Kisa kok salai ger rasa biasa kang. Torun, Bibel bahai no. You never miss. Ke LJ Sangtei. Hello LJ Sangtei. Do you understand kok borok? Albert Diborkaham, Abi looking handsome, bro. No, I'm not really handsome, actually. Okay, I'm not somebody. Korsa Kaipeng artist. Dipu Sadon Jamatia Salanai to you. Okay, some bini recording, some suru kai. Bini katini final recording. Final recordings in Nailiana. Diborkaham Ken Entertainment. Bro, you're looking handsome. Oh, brother LJ Shangtei, thank you so much. Do you understand Kokborok? If I communicate in Kokborok, will it be understandable for you? Okay. So, similarly, Vivek, are you married? Yes, brother, I'm married. Brother Vivek, I'm married. Ani besar korong ni tunggu, setelah koroksa beri koroksa. Okay, hi bohanya koroksa no. Okay, I guess suruh kali sini recording. Okay, chalo. David, are you ready? Gavin mo kisah tam sa sinai sad idiom type ni. Ready? Rangchak Production Belek Hamba, you are my new subscriber. Ready?
Sorry.
Lain nor to buji na actually binor samung ke tarik lang tangga hingga bono rutu gui nai bono biang tangga tangli tangga abo rutu nai bo resapta or ongkora
Kalau yang tidak ada muslim, kan anda kau baru salah ni. Anti lain kau payment ini karena nomo koi tangga koi mas tangga ini 1 or 2 months tangga. Ka tahu lockdown itu atau tahu time limit yang ketini yang finally kita lockdown mana tongfana coronavirus yang covid kan kawan yang finally dah sekarang ya no. Ika bono bu hambai Mario belai kan na bu viewers from bu comment kai di jodai narok saja kan kawan narok surely comment kai di bini channel so that anggu